Maximizing natural light in your home can have a huge impact on the overall look and feel of your space. Not only does natural light make a room feel larger and more open, but it can also improve your mood and overall well-being. Here are some interior design ideas for maximizing natural light in your home. 1. Windows. The most obvious way to bring natural light into your home is through windows. Make sure your windows are clean and unobstructed by furniture or heavy curtains. Consider adding window treatments that can be easily opened or removed to let in as much light as possible. 2. Mirrors. Mirrors can reflect natural light, making a room feel brighter and more open. Place a large mirror opposite a window to reflect light back into the room. You can also use multiple smaller mirrors to create the same effect. 3. Light colors. Dark colors absorb light while light colors reflect it. Use light colors on walls, floors, and ceilings to create a brighter and more open space. 4. Skylights. A skylight can be a great way to bring natural light into a room that doesn't have windows. Consider installing skylights in a hallway, bathroom, or even in a closet. 5. Glass partitions. Glass partitions are a great way to bring natural light into a room without compromising privacy. Use glass partitions in a home office or living area to separate the space without blocking light. 6. Bifolding doors. Bifolding doors can be a great option for bringing natural light into a room while also creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. They can be used to open up a living room to a backyard or a kitchen to a patio. 7. Houseplants. Not only do houseplants improve air quality, but they also absorb light, making a room feel brighter and more alive. Place plants near windows to take advantage of natural light. By incorporating these interior design ideas, you can maximize natural light in your home and create a brighter, more inviting space. Remember that natural light can change throughout the day, so consider how a room looks in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Additionally, consider how the light interacts with different surfaces and materials, such as how it reflects off a mirror or a glossy surface.